mosquito. It genuinely floats. Ooh. It's slightly sinking at the back. I think it can only go into the top bloody mosquitoes. At the top of the turret. And make it capsize. Oh! So I made it tipped over. Oh yeah, water's getting in now. Bye bye, Tiger. You will be missed. If it goes in through the cupola, or the little hole on the top of the turret, then it's done for. It's not like... Stop sinking. Oh. Bye bye, Tiger. It's Tiger in the lake. Oh, there's a feather in there. Is he going to touch the bottom? Is he even going to sink anything? Let me pull it out. Tiger not sunk, I guess. I should probably do this in a bathtub, not a wheelbarrow filled with rainwater. Uh-oh. So, see how well the turret floats. Pretty well. Uh-oh. In goes the water. Oh, what? There's a sticker inside of the hull. I forgot I placed that there. So it's not going to fully sink though. I mean, this... I've had this for a year now. Pretty watertight. I have a Sherman Firefly that's missing a track. You see there's no water going on the inside. See that sticker? I'm gonna go get that Sherman. It's the Sherman missing one track. It's got one no. I'm not expecting it to float very well because it will be like tilted to that side. The Tiger's still floating. Okay. Put the Sherman. No, it's floating. It's not floating. That was pretty quick. So compared to the Tiger, it's not really floating that well. I mean, I guess it's floating. It's not going down any deeper. But it isn't like that. I mean, I can take the tracks off the Tiger because I didn't actually glue them down originally. But I want to see what happens when I do that. I think it's slowly, very slowly sinking. There goes the Sherman. There's a gun barrel is slowly sticking up more and more into the water. Oh, there goes the gun. The gun's dipped down. Into the deep end. I didn't know if it's going to sink any further. If I wobble the barrel, and the waves should take it in. Okay, so it's slightly sinking more. Yeah, it comes in from the back. Right. Sherman Firefly water test number 2. Okay, that time it's just capsized. Very quickly. It sunk this time. Move the toe. So, there. Sherman of the Lake. This one. So if you push it in from the back, the front rises up rather quickly. Which sort of means that the gun's gonna go down, I think, last. I mean, that's if it continues to sink, which I don't think it is. Because it, like... Yeah, the waves pretty much, I guess, kill it, and the Tiger's still afloat. I mean, I can't remember why the Tiger sank. I think I made it do that purpose. One big one. I think the big wave might have killed it. Yeah. I'll move the Tiger out. Got an idea for the Tiger. And let's use the Sherman. Put. Don't mind my brother. Yeah. Down the Sherman goes. And let him rest on the grass. Right. no idea for the tiger. Here's my idea for the tiger. So basically, I've taken all of the tracks off. I'm gonna lower it in the water, see if it makes sense. Okay, splitting. Let's see. Well, it is slowly sinking on the back. Don't know how. I have some aeroplanes, but I don't think they'll stand much of a chance. They'll probably float for a bit, but not as well as a tiger. So if I were to just tip the front, like, yeah, that does affect it. So if I were to just do that, it comes back up. Oh, only half of me. Because I guess the hull's full of water. But no more of the water can get in, so it's stuck like at a down angle. But there's like nowhere it can get out. So if I put it in upside down, I get like a tiger submarine. I mean, I guess a submarine that fires rifled torpedo. So it just doesn't sink. I mean, I guess it could, theoretically, because the water can get from in little polar holes and then into the hull to the point where it just sinks all that little hole. I don't know, it's a little hole. I don't think the little hole on the back is actually connected to the turret. I don't think it is. I think it just does that. Oh, get back. I'm not done with you. I probably won't touch these for quite a while now.